There is also a one-time setting we must do first. ZetaFisc needs the business's base currency before any bill or payment can be recorded. We set it in company settings. We choose our base currency, the Nigerian naira. This can only be set once, so it is chosen with care. Then we save the company information. With the base currency in place, we can record bills. A vendor invoice is a bill we have received from a supplier. Recording it tells the system we owe that money. It creates the payable, so later we can pay it with a voucher. Invoices live under payments. There are no bills yet, so we record our first one. The invoice number is generated automatically from our numbering settings. We set the invoice date, the date on the bill. We use today. We choose the vendor this bill came from, Lagos Office Supplies. Notice the payment terms fill in automatically from the vendor record. We confirm the currency is our base currency, the naira. The payable account is the liability account this bill is recorded against. We select accounts payable. Now the line items, what was actually bought. We describe the goods, choose the expense account they belong to, and enter the quantity and unit price. VAT and withholding tax are applied per line at the rates from our tax settings, 7.5% VAT and 5% withholding. The system works out the totals automatically. The summary shows the actual amount, the VAT added, the withholding tax deducted, and the net payable, exactly what the business owes this vendor. We save the invoice. The bill is now recorded and shows here with its outstanding balance. In the next video we will pay it by raising a voucher against this invoice.